Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing your work and reducing variables. First, export or backup every open file to cloud or local storage. Once done, you avoid data loss if the app force quits. Then check device free space and close background apps to free RAM because low memory is the most common crash trigger. Make sure you note the exact Ibis paint and operating system versions, since updates or incompatibilities will guide the next steps. Once backups are safe, clear the app cache or temporary files to remove corrupt data that causes crashes. You will keep your artworks if you backed up. Next, update Ibis Paint and your device OS. Many crashes are resolved by matching app expectations with system APIs. If problems persist, reset the app settings to default and relaunch. Make sure to test the app after each change so you can identify which action fixed or worsened the issue. You now perform the final corrective actions. Fully uninstall and reinstall Ibis Paint only after verifying backups and account credentials, because a clean install removes corrupted binaries. Lower GPU load by disabling hardware acceleration if available, reduce canvas size, and flatten heavy layer sets to prevent memory spikes. If the app continues to crash, capture a screen recording and device logs, then contact support with those details.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.